All right, so this is practice page 221, and we are looking at finding circumference using a formula. Pay attention. So, using the formula, circumference equals diameter times pi, or if you have radius, it is equal to 2 radius times pi. So, when you're showing your work, especially on number 4 down below, make sure that you show the numbers in the formula. I expect you to be using a calculator. Just make sure that you write down, just like they are showing in the example right here, this 12 feet is representative of the diameter right here. 12 feet. So this would be D in the equation. And they show that right here. So make sure this is kind of what I want to see is, your 3.14 times 12 to get the 37.68. Just don't write C equals 37.68 feet. Looking at this problem, a lot of the practice problems throughout this lesson are going to be involving shaded and unshaded areas and finding differences between them or combinations of them. So it's just a lot of problem solving. Looking at the trampoline problem, it looks like we have the actual trampoline diameter is 12 feet, and then the padded sides add 1 foot off to either side of it. So the total diameter is 14 feet. So if we take off the 1 foot and 1 foot, you're left with an inner diameter of 12 feet. So going through the practice problems down here, let's see if I can zoom out and get it all in there. There we go. Okay, so what is the circumference of the trampoline, including its outer edge? So they're wanting to find out, using the 14-foot diameter, that is going to give you the outer edge of the circumference. Number 2 was the difference between the circumference of the trampoline and the circumference of the enclosure. So the trampoline is talking about the inside part, and the enclosure then would be the outside part. Number 3, explain how to find the circumference of a circle if you know the radius of the circle. So again, we kind of talked about, these are your basic 2 formulas that you're going to be using. One's given the radius, the other one's given the diameter. And then number 4, applying it. So here, the United States Capitol Rotunda is a circular room located in the Capitol building in Washington, D.C. The radius of the room is 48 feet. What is the circumference? So again, you're given the radius and you've got to find the circumference. So make sure, show the numbers in the formula.